Hello and welcome to the Elvatech channel. Today we'll share some tips on how to use an XRF analyzer to achieve precise and reliable results. XRF is the powerful and convenient tool. However, following a few simple recommendations can help you maximize its effectiveness. Let's go through them step by step. Before starting the analysis, make sure your sample is clean. Dust, oil, or corrosion can affect the accuracy of the result. It's also important to position the sample evenly on the measuring surface. This ensures accurate and consistent results. Now, let's move on to the setup. Our analyzers can pre-confirm from most common tasks, so you can start working right away. For different materials, you can select the appropriate analyzing mode. This ensures accurate results for metals, coatings, or alloys. Before starting, check that the device is fully charged and all components are functioning correctly. This takes just a minute but saves time during the analysis. Now we can begin the analysis. Simply position the sample and press the Start button. The ProSpector 3 will quickly perform the measurement. Now we can begin the analysis, which actually a trigger here or the Start button on the screen. So basically do it in a following way. The ProSpector 3 will quickly perform the measurement in just a few seconds. If you have a complex sample, such as one of the heterogeneous surface, I recommend measuring multiple points and using the averaging mode for analysis result. This will help achieve a more accurate final result. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see the results on the screen. It shows the elements and their concentrations clearly and instantly. If the results seem unexpected, check that the sample is clean or repeat the analysis for confirmation. Don't forget to take care of your analyzer. Regularly clean its surface and protective window, which is positioned right here. It will let you to ensure long-time performance. Also, make sure to update your device's software regularly to keep the device operating at the peak accuracy and to the access to the latest features. These simple steps will help you make the most of your XRF analysis. The ProSpector 3 makes the process fast, convenient, and reliable. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned and see you soon.